and if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload or post a new video. So, as you can see the title below, we're gonna be doing what's in my bag or what's inside my bag. My school bag, just this one. Which is this one. So without further ado, let's go and hop on this video. So guys, as we all know, I've done this before way back college days, and today I wanted to share ko anong laman ng bag ko. So, ito. Okay. So, ito medyo mabigat siya guys, and nakakababa ng height joke. Ito siya. Which is a Herschel bag from my. So yun guys, it's a bag, Herschel bag, and so ang bigat siya talaga. Mag-start tayo dito. So ang laman dito sa packet is keys, key ng apartment, flash drive para kasi lagi kailangan. Next is my lip tint, which is the EB. Retouch. Ang bigat. And then alcohol. And then coins kasi pag nag-commute, ito yung madali mong makukuhaan. So, I make sure na may coins siya para in case kailangan ko ng masahe. Nagkalat lang dyan. And then, ito, binigay siya sa akin ni, binigay siya sa amin ni Cha. Lahat kami na friends niya, limata kami. Tapos ito, parang ipupul mo something. Baka, pul na lang dito kasi baka matarantalat ng tao. So, ayan. Balik na natin. Kasi, para na rin itong purpose. So, tapos na tayo dun sa labas, sa pocket. And then, dun tayo sa main pocket niya. Ayan. So, ayan. Makikita nyo. Ayan. So, first is this water bottle. I love white and it's my favorite color. So, I got the white color. So, next is this tote na pencil case with a lot of color pens, highlighter, pencils, ball pen. So, yan. I have here, ito, Stabilo na highlighter. And then, pens, color pens na napanalunan ko nung midnight. Ito. Color pens kasi kailangan si histology or kung anong subjects man. And this one, na pinaka super love ko, na binili sa akin ng classmate ko, si Mayen. And this is the erasable or friction highlighter from Miniso for only 99 pesos. You have 3 highlighters na and my erase pa. So, I super love color. And then, pens. Kasi, dati nagpe-pen ako pag-exam. Yan. Kaso, bawal lang kasi. So, I always bring with me my marker na para kasi MCQ, para mas madali mong i-shade yung circle. And then, GTEC pens. Mga pens na if nawala or kailangan ko na extra pens, I have here 2 black color, red GTEC, o JT ko pa to. And then, this one, bigay sa akin ng friend ko, si LU, pink na pen, and then sticky notes, color pens, green pen, and then, super cute na correction tape. Then pens. And then, what do you call this one? Paper clip, isa lang. And then, eraser. Next pouch I have here, is this one. Tote din siya. And then, what I love about this one is super laki. At the same time, dalawa yung zipper niya. So, isa dito, on this side. And another zipper on this side. For this side, which is my Kikay kit and everything, as you can see, I have here my wipes, my handy wipes, and a handy tissue, as well as that pin, and then this two-way foundation from Revlon, my blotting paper, and then mirror from Jen. Yun lang yung laman ng other side ko, yung Kikay something. And then, on this side, you will see everything na kailangan ko for gadgets and everything. So, yung adapter ng MacBook, power bank from Mumax, and then, charger ng MacBook, charger ng iPhone X, S Max, and then earphones, andito din. So, super ganda ng pouch na to kasi marami ka nang malalagay and may division pa. So, imbes dalawang wallet or pouch or tote bag, isahan na lang. And nakakatipid ng space kasi hindi siya bulky. Next thing that I have is this super cute notebook. Ayan. Ano kung nakita nyo? Oh. Yan. Nag-draw ako something ng brachial plexus. And then, dito yung sa metacarpals and everything. So, yan. What I love about this one is color white din siya and wala siyang grade. Yan. As you can see, blank space talaga siya. And that's why I love it. But, nakakapanghinayang magsulat. Dapat maganda yung pagsulat ko and everything. So, ito lang yung nag-iisa kong notebook. And then, next is this wallet or pouch or what do you call this one? Walang pera. Charot. Cards, receipt, and then yung what's on something ko. Vouchers and everything. So, yan. And then this chain from Paris. Next thing that I have is this. Itong anatomy book ko. Nilalagay ko sa bag kasi kaya pa siya. Pero yung isa kong bag book na super kapal, hindi ko na siya nalalagay sa ito, nag-guiton. Hindi ko na nalalagay sa bag ko kasi bigat. So, hinahawakan ko na lang siya and everything. So, ayan. Ito, pwede pa. Kasi maliit lang din siya. Pero medyo mabigat din siya. And last is, ito. May compartment siya ng laptop. Laptop ko pa. Laptop compartment sa loob. And ito yung laptop ko. Yung MacBook Pro ko. So, yun lang naman yung laman ng bag ko. Ano yung college, may makeup kit and everything ka pa. Pero ngayon, post-grad ka na, girl. Wala ka ng ganon or except sa powder, blotting paper, mirror. Wala na yung mga pangkilay. Wala na. Wala na rin time mag-ayos. Wala na akong time mag-ayos. So, ang dinadala ko, and I made sure na meron akong lip tint kasi sobrang pale ko, ang putla ko. So, para naman, diba, hindi tayo halatang stress, ganyan. Nadala ko yung lip tint ko. Or, minsan dala ko siya dito sa pocket ko. Parang, hey, saan ako pumunta? Or lumabas man ako and everything. I need to retouch and everything. And, yung phone ko wala na what I'm using. That's what I'm using. Which is an iPhone XS Max. So, yeah. So, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. And if you do, please do hit the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload or post a new video. So, yeah, see you on my next video. Spread love.